What's up, guys? I'm on my way to the airport right now. I finally found a good day that works with me to go flying and that we have good weather. Every day I've been free lately, it's been bad weather, so I've been not flying as much as I would like to. So today I'm going up in the practice area with my brother and one of his friends. I'm gonna go practice some maneuvers, maybe come back and practice some landings, so should be fun.
Alright guys, here we go. Cable traffic 823 Tango, runway 24 for a north departure cable. Clear right. Full power. I'm Nick, I'm David's twin brother. I'm still a student pilot, so he's doing all the flying, but I'll get my license someday though. Traffic. That's correct, dude. Although one day, you see them? He's turning the other way. Have you guys ever heard of the Neon Arcade? Oh, that's in yeah, Pasadena. It's so cool. I went there a few days ago and it's cheap. It's cheap, right? Yeah, it's $10 an hour and you play everything? Yeah, you play everything. The hour I'm buying like 10 minutes though, so what is it? You pay $10. Oh, look, play every game. What the heck? They put the solar panels everywhere? Yeah. What the heck? This is my college right down here. I just got accepted into CBU though, so next semester I'm going to Cal Baptist University. They have a flight program there, but I'm not doing the flight program. I'm going to be studying. Kind of make their way down the coast over the Monrovia, 210 westbound, 3,500. Today we're going out to the Rialto practice area. My last video, I came out this way to go to the Redlands Airport. This way we're going to stay a little west of that, and it's the Rialto practice area. It's usually empty over there, a lot less busy than the Santa Fe practice area, but that's because it's more windy, but I like to practice in wind because then it's easier when you're in no wind. So. This area is really cool because like it's in the Cajon Pass, so there's a bunch of like wind and stuff, and I personally like turbulence, so it just makes it more fun. You see that over there? This little thing? Yeah, I don't know what that is. Hold up. Look how fast we got to Rialto in what, like 3 minutes? Like, from Upland. That's crazy. If it was a clear day, you'd be able to see all the way out to like LA. Nice. How far is the flight to LA? Like 15 minutes. Yeah, off the airport. That's so crazy. No. It's like a little like racetrack thing right here. You see that car driving around right there? Oh, what the heck? I don't know what that is. Alright guys, just did our clearing turns. We're gonna go into a steep turn right now, 3,400 feet. Alright, right at 3,400. 3,500. Alright, now we're gonna do a steep turn to the right. 1,500. ready? Oh, that's so cool. You guys know I love zero gravity. I say it in every video, but it's awesome. That is my favorite thing to do by far. Going really well. I love this practice area because there's, in case of if you lose an engine or whatever, there's so many places to land. See one there, one here. This whole area, it's all flat, and it's all like long, flat stretches of land. So it's like it's perfect. Now the other practice area,
Ha 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 ha!